See, Nifty broke 7580 and went into an intermediate correction. Now it's likely to test 7400 to about 7440, about the 20-day moving average. Bank Nifty, which is underperforming the Nifty, is likely to correct to about 14,700. So basically PSUs and infra stocks will provide you the buying opportunity. As far as weekly levels are concerned, support bands on Nifty are at 7446 to about 7494. Resistance bands at 7590 to 7638. Bank Nifty support bands are 14,753 to 14,929. Resistance bands are 15,283 to 15,459. CNX IT support bands are 9,075 to 9261. Resistance bands at 9572 to 9635. For the day, Nifty support band is about 7458 to about 7500. Resistance bands at 7584 to 7624. Bank Nifty support bands 14,835 to about 14,970. Resistance bands at 15,242 to about 15,377. CNX IT support band 9373 to about 9410. Resistance band 9484 to about 9521. Short point, you could have a 30-40 point bounce to about 75-80. Around those zones, try to go short on the market. Similarly, 150, 200 point upside on the Bank Nifty is possible. If that happens, try to go short there because there is more downside. BTST from Friday, DLF was a sell with a stop of 211, target of 195. PFC was a sell with a stop of 295, target of 278. HCL Tech is a buy with a stop of 1400, target of 1465. Now fresh calls for today. Adani Enterprise is a sell with a stop of 480, target of 445. Bank of Baroda is a sell with a stop of 860, target of 800. Delta Corp is a sell with a stop of 101, target of 88. Now the buys that I am giving are interesting in the sense that I went through all the PSU stocks and I picked up the 3 outperformers. So if people use this decline to get into these stocks, chances are they will come back and make fresh highs. It may not happen today, but finally, because these stocks have also corrected. So BEML is a buy with a stop of 735, target of 810. Bharat Electronics is a buy with a stop of 1795, target of 1880. And PFC, which is down from 340 down to 290, this can be now bought for with a stop at about 280 and look for targets of 325.
Since I am expecting a 70 to 100 point correction, I would be comfortable taking both sides, playing on both sides. I have a buy in a Imami which is very positive on the weekly patterns, and I would, being a defensive stock, I would want any bit of a correction to buy into this with a stop loss of 483, target of 565. Now this is a call for the next week or 10 days, not for a day or two. A sell in Axis Bank which is weak. I see the momentum continue on the downside. I would sell it with a stop loss of 1870, target of 1700. And in FNO space for FNO traders, I would go with a sell in the HDIL June futures, stop loss of 9450, target of 84.
See, for short-term trading, I think we have seen some breakdowns in the cyclicals and the beta side, and technology and pharma have given buy signals. So for short-term trading, I recommend a sell on JP Associate around levels of 75 half. Keep a stop at 78. Look for targets of around 70. Karnataka Bank is a sell with a stop at 138 for targets of 127. HCL Technologies is a buy with a stop at 1414 for targets of around 1500. Divi's Lab is a buy with a stop at 1324. Look for targets of 1400 in the short term. And Maruti is a sell around 2415. Keep a stop at 2446 and look for targets of around 2340.